How to recover password in VK account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you recover password on VK account. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the search field, search for VK recover password. After you search for this, at the top, you can easily find the official site which will provide you to restore VK ID account. Simply tap on that link. And from the section to restore your VKID account, you'll have to provide your email or phone number that was associated with your VK account. Or you can also go with the options like I don't remember my email address or phone number. If you don't have it, simply tap on that option. And from your search your VK account, after you search it, from there you can also recover. Right now I am going with the options like email. From the section, provide your email address. After you provide your email address, tap on the option send code. Alright, in my case, the account has not found because of my region-based problem. In your case, you will receive a verification code on your mobile phone number or email. After you confirm with that verification code, you will be able to set a new password on your VK account. And from that way, you can easily recover your VK account. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.